Good day, my able customers. My customer asked me to change the screen of the iPhone XS Max. For doing that, you have to lose the sheet to the screen connector and the battery clip. After losing it, you unclip the screen clip and the battery clip. It is the new screen, very sweet, very nice and very neat. That is the best product. Keeping the new screen to test. Boom, the screen is working but the battery is low, so I have to plug the battery. Oh, my customer says she can't wait, so I should just put the new screen immediately. So this has been losing the earpiece to be transferred to the new screen, so that my customer can be happy and go home smiling. When losing the earpiece, you need to be very careful so that you do not do any mistake, so that your customer will not come back and be complaining. So after losing it, you have to arrange it before I can transfer it to the new screen. Boom, the earpiece is ready to be transferred to the new screen. Arranging it properly to the new screen. Now tight the screw. Now you have tightened the knot. That is done now. Let's test our screen. Connect your charger. Boom! iPhone is on now. Oh my god, the car is working. It's working very perfect. Wow. Now my customer is very happy. Cover up the screen, break it, do everything. Now, after applying your gum, you tie your rubber ring so that the gun can dry well. So our customer will not come back and be complaining, my screen pull out, my screen this, my screen that. So you have to tie the rubber ring very well around it. It's the gun dry properly. So now the phone is getting ready. It's getting ready to be given to the customer, and the customer is waiting for the phone now. Boom, it is ready. I gave it to my customer.